Welcome to TR Academy. In this video, we're going to see about the company rule. Britishers came to India in the 1600s through the East Indian Company, and they took over the powers and the control of administration as well as the legislature. They put forth various acts which has influenced the political system we have now. Let's see into those acts. Regulating Act of 1773. This act was the first step taken by the British government to control and regulate the affairs of the East Indian Company. This act also increased the political and the administrative functions of the company. This act laid the foundation of the central administration in India. This act made the Governor of Bengal to Governor General of Bengal, and it also created an executive council of 4 members to assist the Governor General. The Governor of Bombay and Madras presidencies became subordinate to Governor General of Bengal, before which all 3 presidencies are independent. This act provided the establishment of Supreme Court at Calcutta in 1774, comprising 1 Chief Justice and 3 judges. This act prohibited the servants of the company involving in any private trade or bribes from the natives. This act formed the Court of Directors to report on the company's revenue, civil and military affairs in India to the British government. Lord Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of Bengal. Pitt's India Act of 1784. British possession in India clearly explained in this act. The British government was given the supreme control over the company's affairs and its administration in India. It differentiated the commercial and the political functions of the company. It brought a system of double government. The Court of Directors are to manage the commercial affairs, and to manage the political affairs, a Board of Control was formed. The Board of Control was empowered with the duties to supervise and direct all operations of the revenues, civil and military affairs. Charter Act of 1833. This act brought the centralization in British India. This act made the Governor General of Bengal as Governor General of India and vested in him all civil and military powers to control the entire British India. Lord William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. This act deprived the legislative powers from the governors of Bombay and Madras, the East Indian Company, to be purely administrative body. It also provided that the company's territories are held in trust for His Majesty, his heirs and successors. This act made an open competition for the selection of civil servants, and Indians are given the opportunity to participate in that. However, this was negated after the Court of Directors opposed it. Charter Act of 1853. This act brought Indian Legislative Council, formed as a separate legislative council of 6 members and functioned as a mini parliament like the British Parliament. Legislation was brought a special function of the government with special machinery and special purpose. Open competition system of selection and recruitment of civil servant was brought through this act. Macaulay Committee was appointed in 1854 to oversee the Indian civil service. It extended the company's rule to retain Indian territories on trust of the British Crown without any specific period. This showed a clear indication that the company rule could be terminated at any time as per the Parliament wish. Among the 6 members of the Legislative Council, 4 were appointed by the local governments of Madras, Bombay, Bengal and Agra.